Here's our dryer that doesn't fit. Door. And obviously you can see I'm standing in the breakfast nook here with all my tools. And that bottom of that duct is 7 inches off the ground. Bottom of that duct is 4 inches off the ground, so we got to lower it by 3 inches. Here it goes. The dryer plug is about to be pulled out. So I just recorded the vent and all the situation. So now we've cut around the vent and taken it out. So I took this flap out off outside so you can see about how much space we have. Okay, so here's the repair job.